I'm gonna commit suicide. I'm gonna let the train hit. Oh, train, please come. Yes. No, I'm still alive. Well, today I just kind of wanted to mess around in this car crashing game. I played it a lot, as you can see at the top of my XP, but I just want to play it. I'm gonna get in my white van. I'm gonna go kidnap people. I'm coming. Alright, I want the train map. So this is the train that continue. Oh no, it's coming. There it is. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna sit here. I'm in the front, and the back of my car is on the track, so maybe I won't die. Yeah, I can just cross. Never mind. Okay, I want to go to a different map. This map is stinky. I'm gonna hop in my Cherry Transport Plus. Oh, it's just black. I'm gonna chase down this blue car that just stopped. Why'd you stop? Jesus. What exploded? I lost all my limbs. Oh no. Oh my god. My limbs are back. Mini bus spawner. That is a mini bus. They weren't lying. Oh, I'm in. Okay. Whoa. Okay. What the? Is that train flying away? Okay, I'm just gonna cross the train tracks. It's another mini bus. Hello, twin. You're my twin. We're twinning. Just scoot by. Look both ways. I'm free to go. Oh. So can you only crash your car if you get hit by the train? I'm guessing so. No! Oh no! I'm in the water. I'm gonna go swimming. Oh, I can go fast. Oh god. I am master of speed. Everybody strap in, here we go. Oh. That was anticlimactic.